Don't forget to subscribe and sign up.
You don't like it?
I like it.
Really?
I like it. You food.
Tayo ay gagawa ng ating merienda. So, ngayon ay tutusukin natin ang ating si hotdog. Yes. Malinis yung aking kamay kaya don't worry mga inday, mga dodong. Okay? Magic. Oh, diba? Pasarapin natin ang ating si hotdog. Okay? Pasarapin natin yan. Itatabi muna natin yung ating hotdog, guys. Ngayon, so meron tayo ditong all-purpose flour. Okay? Yung harina natin. Sa Tagalog. Ubusin na natin yan lahat, guys. Then, maglagay lang ako na white sugar. 1 kutsara. 2 kutsara. Then, maglagay ako ng 1/4 lang na kutsarita ng ating asin. Okay? Konti lang yun siya, guys. Don't worry. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating itlog. Yan. Lagyan natin yung ating isang itlog. Then, guys, fresh milk. Pero hindi ko muna siya uubusin, guys. Magtira muna ako ng konti. Patayin ko muna yan siya. Yan. Medyo malapot-lapot na siya, guys. So, tingnan natin kung pwede. Yan. Ngayon, guys, ay meron pa akong idadagdag na ating ingredients. Maghanap muna ako ng aking lagayan na ito. Ako na lang siya ilalagay. Okay, so ngayon, guys, ay meron ako dito. Ayan, oh. Dito, shortcut na lang, guys, ha. Yung hiniwa-hiwa ko na mga cheese na super liit. Yan, may cheese ako dito na hiniwa ko na super liit. Super liit na cheese, guys. Pwede kayong gumamit kahit iba-ibang klaseng cheese. Kung gusto nyo ng mozzarella, pwede. Masarap din yun. Okay, so, ulitin natin ulit. Oops, dito siya. Dahil, yan. Para madurog yung cheese natin. Pwede kayong magkuskus, guys. Kung gusto nyo ng mas prepare nyo yung kinugkod pala. So, ayan na, guys. Natapos na natin i-mix ang ating harina na may cheese. Merong mga bubo konti. Pwede, okay lang yan siya, guys. Carry lang yan. Okay? So, ngayon ako ay nagpapainit na ng ating kawali na may mantika. Okay? Ilipat muna natin to. Yan. Dyan siya. Dyan muna siya. Lipat natin. Pwede kayong gumamit ng mahabang baso na malalim, guys. Simutin natin para hindi sayang. Oops, natapon. Natapon siya. Punasan muna natin ito at nagkalat-kalat siya konti. Okay. So, ngayon ako ay meron tayong breadcrumbs, guys. Yes, may breadcrumbs tayo. Okay, so ngayon, ayan, meron tayo ditong breadcrumbs. Okay, naka-ready na yung breadcrumbs natin. Ayusin ko muna si camera. Ayan si breadcrumbs. Okay. Ayusin mo na. At ang ating si hotdog. Okay, guys. Yes. Ayan, guys. Okay. So, ngayon, tayo magsisimulan na para mailagay na siya sa ating kawali. Diba? Wow. Oh, yan. Lagyan mo siya ng breadcrumbs dyan. Diba? Okay. Ganyan na naman. So, ngayon, guys, dahil mainit na po ang ating kawali, so, pwede natin ilagay ang ating nagawang cheesy hotdog. Napakainit na ng ating kawali. Ang ating mantika ay super init na. Oh, diba? Napakainit na ng ating mantika. Oops. Yan. Antay lang natin yan mag-golden brown. Okay guys, balik rin natin. Para hindi siya masunog. Diba? Okay. Yes. Pwede natin siyang lagyan ng mayonnaise kung gusto ninyo. Wait, Amira. You like mayonnaise? This is mayonnaise. Yan. Japanese mayonnaise. Wow, social. Yeah, it's yummy. Pwede rin yung lagyan ng ketchup, guys. Ang ating merienda. That's, Amira, you like it? Oh, wait, baby. You're here. You don't like it?
I like it.
Really?
I like it. Eat food.
Yeah. You like it, baby?
I have a food here.
Which one? Later na lang. Okay, you can put it. You can put na mayonnaise. Yes. You like mayonnaise? What about ketchup? You like ketchup? Why? Why you don't like ketchup, baby? It's so yummy. It's yummy? It is yummy, Amira? Wow, so nice. Wow, very good. Good girl. Yay, clap your hands. Yay, clap your hands. Good girl.
And another one.
Which one?
Here.
It's okay.
Fine.
Wow.
Wow.
So nice. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Okay, try it. Can you try? Can you try?
Yes.
Okay, bite. Try it. Bite. Hold like this. Hold it. This is crunchy. This is crunchy. It is yummy.
Hey.
Yes.
What's that?
That's a cheesy hot dog. Is that a cheesy hot dog? It's yummy.
Okay.
This is bread. This is bread. Bread.
What's that?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah, the white one is mayonnaise. This one is bread. Breadcrumbs. You like bread, right?
I like bread.
Okay, you can eat it. That's for you.
That's for me?
Yeah. All for you. That's all for you, baby. What happened?
Nothing. Nothing, Mommy.
Oh.
Nothing.
No. Like this.
Okay.
Okay, put it here. Here, up.
No. There.
Careful. Okay, guys. Ayan na ang ating... That's enough.
See you next time.